Idea clear, right sir? Fourth question of today, the morning session. Fourth question. Again another question which involves surds and indices, wherein we are making use of loss of indices. Loss of indices. Simplify. Your question is simplify. 3 power 1 by 3, 9 power 2 by 3, 27 power 4 by 3, 81 to the power of 8 by 3, 243 to the power of 10 by 3, 729 to the power of 12 by 3. Right? 729 to the power of 12 by 3, and the question will not end here, because your again the whole power is given as 2 by 19. Right? Your whole power is given as 2 by 19. Now the best part about this question is every number is nothing but 3 power something. 3 is 3 power 1, 9 is 3 power 2, 27 is 3 power 3, 81 is 3 power 4, 243 is 3 power 5, 729 is 3 power 6. Every base can be expressed as 3 power something. That is the catch in this question. Simplify further, sir. I can write 3 power 1 by 3 as 3 power 1 by 3 itself. Right? 3 power 1 by 3. This is 9. 9 is 3 square. 3 square to the power of 2 by 3. A power m whole power n is a power m into n. So this becomes 3 square to the power of 2 into 2 by 3 will become 3 power 2 into 2 by 3, 3 power 4 by 3. But can I also again combine another loss of indices and say that a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. That means I will directly write without wasting my time here in the power as n value 4 by 3. I believe that it is clear, sir. Next, 27. 27 is 3 cube. 3 cube to the power of 4 by 3. This becomes 3 power 4. Right? 3 power 4. Or I will keep writing it denominator 3 itself. 3 into 4 is 12. It is 12 by 3. Next, 3 power 4 whole power 8 by 3. It is 4 into 8. It is 32 by 3. I believe that you are able to understand. 3 power 5 whole power 10 by 3. It is 5 into 10. It is 50 by 3. And 3 power 6 whole power 12 by 3. It is 6 into 12. It is 72 by 3. But again this is raised whole to the power of 2 out of 19. Right? 2 by 19. If I simplify further, the power here will become 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 12, 17, 17 plus 32 is 49, 49 plus 50 is 99, 99 plus 72 is 171. So this finally becomes 3 power 171 divided by 3 whole to the power of 2 by 19. That becomes into 2 by 19. Right? Into 2 by 19. If I can simplify further, what will it become, sir? This will be equal to 19 into 1, 19 into 9, 9 into 3 into 1, 3 into 3. It becomes 3 power 6. Answer for this question is 3 power 6, 729. You should definitely solve this question within 10 seconds of time in your examination, and that comes with practice. Speed will definitely come with practice, sir. Do not expect you to solve the question faster or speed without practice. Speed is nothing but an integral part of practice. I believe that the idea is clear. I hope everyone is understanding clearly, sir. Varieties of questions we will discuss today. Just keep on listening to it. If all these are if question. If 27q is equal to 64 power p and 54q is equal to 2 power p, right? 54q is equal to 2 power p, then find the value of p. Right? Then find the value of p. Now listen carefully, sir. Again it's a very easy question to solve. Can I say that 27 and 54, they are multiples of each other? 54 is nothing but the multiple of 27. If I divide one by the other, 27 into 1, 27 into 2, q will cancel. Left hand side you are left with 1 by 2. right hand side. 64 is nothing but 2 power 6. 2 power 6 whole power p. It is 2 power 6p, right? It is 2 power 6p and then divided by 2 power p. I also know a lot of law of indices that a power m whole power n or a power m divided by a power n is a power m minus n. This is nothing but 1 by 2 can be written as 2 power minus 1. Right hand side is 2 power 6p minus p 5p. Bases are same, equate the power. 5p is equal to minus 1. P is minus 1 by 5. The catch in the question is 27 and 54 are nothing but multiples of each other, which will cancel out along with the q terms on the left hand side. Divide one by the other, that is the catch in the question. Another question. Again it's an if question. If x is equal to 2 power n plus 2 power n minus 2 divided by 2 power n minus n plus 1 plus 2 power n, then find the value of x, right? Then find the value of x. Now listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Can I say that x is nothing but 2 power n plus 2 power n minus 2. If I take 2 power n common factor, 2 power n into 1 is nothing but 2 power n plus 2 power n I have taken common factor. A power n whole power n is a power m whole power a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So 2 power n is taken outside. This should be 2 power minus 2. Can I say it like this? Because 2 power n into 2 power minus 2 is 2 power n plus of minus 2, 2 power n minus 2, which is nothing but what I wrote in the numerator. Similarly, denominator, if I take 2 power n, 2 power 1 is left out. Here 1 is left out. Right here another 1 is left out. If I simplify further, this 2 power n will cancel with 2 power n. So your x value will become, I will eliminate this, sir. I will eliminate this. Now x value will become, what will be the leftover terms? X is 1 plus 2 power minus 2 is 1 by 2 square, which is 1 by 4. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Simplify further, it is 5 by 4 into 1 by 3. Your final answer should be 5 by 12. Right? Your final answer should be 5 by 12. This is my method 1, which you can implement in solving problem. Because please observe the question, sir. Question is given in terms of n on the right hand side. Question is given in terms of n on the right hand side, and that n is an independent value. That means, can I say that if I put n value 0, I will get some value for x. If I put n value 1, I will get some other value for x. Is it so? Definitely no, sir. You put any value for n. Whatever value you put it for n, if you want you can check it out. In fact I will do it taking 2 to 3 numbers in the method 2 itself. Any value you like you put for n, you will ultimately get the same answer for x. Let us check it out whether it is true or not. I am writing the question once again. If x is given by the notation 2 power n plus 2 power n minus 2 divided by 2 power n plus 1 plus 2 power n, then find the value of x. Right? Find the value of x. Now method 2 is what I am discussing. I told that n is an independent variable. That means put any value for n. Suppose for example I have power n minus 2, but I want to make the power 0. So n minus 2 should become 0. N value should be equal to 2. Put it, sir. Whatever you like you put it. You will end up with the same answer. N is equal to 2. X value is 2 square plus 2 power 0 divided by 2 cube plus 2 square. Right? 2 cube plus 2 square. Can I say that this is 4 plus 1 5 divided by 8 plus 4 12. Directly you get the answer. You got it as 5 by 12 in method 1 also. Suppose don't put n value 2. Put some other value for n. Suppose I am putting n value 0. Putting n value 0 is nothing but my method 1. If you want, check it out. 2 power 0, it becomes 1. It becomes 1. 2 power 0 minus 2 is 2 power minus 2. It becomes 1 by 4. 2 power 0 plus 1 is 2 power 2. It is 2. 2 power 0 is 1. This is nothing but what I got in my method 1. This is the same thing which I got in my method 1 also. That means I will still get the same answer 5 by 12. Sir, I don't want to put n value minus 2, n value 2 and n value 0. Can I put some other power? Definitely yes. Can I say that I have power as n plus 1? N plus 1 should become 0. So n value put it as minus 1. Any other value also you put it, sir. You will still get the same answer. So x becomes 2 power minus 1. It is 1 by 2 plus 2 power minus 1 minus 2. It is 2 power minus 3. It is 1 by 8. I believe that you are able to understand. Divided by 2 power 0. It is 1. 2 power minus 1 is 1 by 2. More fractional simplifications are involved. So that is the reason I am avoiding putting n value minus 1. So if I simplify further, you will get in the numerator as 5 by 8 after taking LCM. Denominator you will get it as 2 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 can be written as 12 by 8. 8 will cancel out. You are left again with 5 by 12. Any number whatever you like for n value, please substitute. You will definitely get the same answer. And I proved it with 3 different numbers taking in method 2. I believe that the idea should be clear, sir. Method 1, please use it and take common factor outside, simplify, you will get the answer. That is one of the method which you want to learn. If you want to implement this method, please go ahead, that is up to you. Method 2, no need of simplifying by taking common factor. Put any value for n, you will definitely get the answer very easily and you will get the same answer. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. I am waiting for your comments before I move forward. Listen to this carefully. I am drafting my next question. Today's questions will more or less be based on indices rather than surds, because I have taken many questions in my previous questions on surds. So I am more concentrating on indices problems today. If 10 power 0.48 is equal to x, 10 power 0.7 is equal to y, and it is also given in the question that x power z is equal to y power 2, right? X power z is equal to y power 2, then find the value of z. Very good question. If 10 power 0.48 is equal to x and 10 power 7 is equal to y and x power z is equal to y power 2, please know the difference between these two, sir. Here the power is z, here it is 2, right? Don't confuse z with 2. So x power z is equal to y power 2. Find the value of z. Now see here, sir. The condition given is x power z is equal to y power 2. X is nothing but 10 power 0.48. It is 10 power 0.48 whole power z. A power m into a power n is a power m into n, right? Sorry, a power m whole power n is a power m into n. So this is 0.48 times z. Y is nothing but 0.7 in the power 10 power 0.7 whole power 2. It is 10 power 0.7 into 2. It is 1.4. Now the bases are same. Equate the powers. 0.48 into z is equal to 1.4. They are asking you that value. Simple. 1.4 divided by 0.48. 14 divided by 4.8. Or it is 140 divided by 48. Answer is over. Simplify it and reduce it to a simplest form. 4 into 12 is nothing but 48. 4 into 35 is nothing but 140. 35 by 12 should be the answer. If you get questions on indices, you should be lucky enough on that examination hall. Indices questions will be very easy, sir. Students will find it difficult in solving Surds problem. We have discussed so many difficult tricky questions in our previous Surds problem. We will also discuss many other varieties of questions in Surds in my upcoming classes also. Today's classes will be primarily on indices. Next question. Answer for this question is 35 by 12. Next question. Again a good question. 27 to the power of minus 2 by 3 plus 2 power power minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 5 by 3 whole to the power of minus 9 by 10. This value I need to simplify. I need to get this particular expression value. Very easy. 27 is 3 power 3. 3 power 3 whole power minus 2 by 3. 3 and 1 by 3 cancels. You are left with 3 power minus 2. 3 power minus 2 is 1 by 3 square 1 by 9. Directly write it. Don't write step by step and waste your time. Similarly, 2 power a power m whole power n whole power n whole power d whole power p. These all are nothing but equal to multiply the powers m and dp. Same logic. This will give me 2 power minus 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. Simple. If I simplify further, this becomes 3 into 3 will cancel with 9. 2 into 5 will cancel with 10. There are 3 negatives. When multiplied will get negative sign itself. So 2 power minus 1 is what I have in the numerator. That is nothing but 1 by 2 power 1. Answer is 1 by 9 plus 1 by 2. 11 by 18. Don't write step by step. Try to eliminate the intermediate step. Simplify there itself. Write the answer very very fast. I hope the idea is clear. Another question of this model. Simplify 0.3 to the power of 1 by 3. 1 by 27 to the power of 1 by 4. Right, 1 by 27 to the power of 1 by 4. 9 to the power of 1 by 6. 0.81 to the power of 2 by 3. Whole thing divided by 0.9 to the power of 2 by 3. 3 to the power of minus 1 by 2. 243 to the power of minus 1 by 4. This expression I need to simplify it. I need to get the value of this expression. Again, very very easy. Let us do understand each and every step and then simplify it fast. Now 0.3 is 3 by 10. So it is 3 power 1 by 3 divided by 10 power 1 by 3. So this is 3 power 1 by 3 divided by 10 power 1 by 3. That 10 power 1 by 3, if it comes to the numerator, it becomes 10 power minus 1 by 3. I will keep everything in numerator in step 1 itself, rather than writing each step separately and then dividing it and wasting my time. Next, 27. 1 by 27 is nothing but 3 power minus 3. I believe that it is clear. 3 power minus 3 whole power 1 by 4. It is 3 power minus 3 by 4 into 3 power minus 3 by 4. But if I combine both and write directly, a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So this can be written as 3 power 1 by 3 is over minus 3 by 4. I can write it as it is. Right, minus 3 by 4 I can write it. This is 9 power 1 by 6. 3 square to the power of 1 by 6. So it is 3 power 2 by 6. 3 power 2 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 3. Right, it is 1 by 3. 0.81 is 81 by 100. 81 by 100 is nothing but 9 by 10 whole square. I believe that everyone is understanding, sir. I am not writing every step and explaining, but rather I am explaining each and every step. 0.81 is 81 by 100, which is 9 by 10 whole square. 9 by 10 whole square whole power 2 by 3. It is 9 by 10 to the power of 2 into 2 by 3, which is 4 by 3, right, which is 4 by 3, right. Now, or I can write, because I am expressing in terms of base 3, 0.81 is nothing but 81 is nothing but, so this is 81 by 100, which is 9 by 10 whole square, right. 9 by 10 or 81 is 3 power 4. 10 is nothing but 10, 100 is nothing but 10 square. So this can be ultimately written as 3 power 4 whole power 2 by 3. This is 3 power 8 by 3. That 8 by 3 will come here. I believe that you are understanding, sir. 10 square to the power of 2 by 3. That is in the denominator. So 10 square to the power of 2 by 3, 10 power 4 by 3. When it comes to the numerator, it becomes minus 4 by 3, right? Minus 4 by 3. Whatever the things which we have written till now is only the terms of numerator. But I have also my denominator. I also have my denominator. Simplify further. Can I say that 0.9? 0.9 is nothing but 9 by 10. 9 is nothing but 3 square. 3 square to the power of 2 by 3. This is nothing but 3 power 4 by 3. That is already there in the denominator. When it comes above, it becomes minus 4 by 3. And it is by 10. By 10 to the power of 2 by 3. 10 power 2 by 3 is already there in the denominator. It is actually there in denominator of denominator. It comes to the numerator as plus 2 by 3 itself. I believe that you are able to understand. It is 3 power minus 1 by 2 in the denominator. Numerator, it becomes plus 1 by 2. 243 is 3 power 5. 3 power 5 whole power minus 1 by 4. It is 3 power minus 5 by 4. In the numerator, it becomes plus 5 by 4. Now, everything we shifted to our numerator. Only thing left out is to simplify, right? Only thing left out is to simplify. If I simplify further, 1 by 3 plus 8 by 3 is 9 by 3, which is 3, right? This value is 3. Similarly, can I say that 1 by 3 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 is nothing but minus 3 by 3, which is nothing but minus 1. This value I got it as 3. This value I got it as minus 1. 3 minus 1. As of now, it is nothing but how much? 3 minus 1 is 2, right? As of now, the power is 2. What else is left out, sir? Minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4. It is minus 2 by 4. Minus 2 by 4 is nothing but minus 1 by 2, right? Sorry, minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4 is, it is plus 2 by 4. Plus 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is power 1. So already we had power 2, another power 1. 3 power 3 is something which I got it. Similarly here, it is 10 power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 is minus 3 by 3, which is minus 1. 27 by 10, it is 2.7. I believe the idea is clear. 27 by 10, which is nothing but 2.7. Answer for this question is 2.7. Idea is clear, sir. Now see here. This is my method 1. This is my method 1. Sir, what is your method 2? Listen carefully. I am writing the question again. 0.3 whole power 1 by 3. 1 by 27 to the power of 1 by 4. 9 to the power of 1 by 6. 0.81 to the power of 2 by 3. Whole thing divided by 0.9 to the power of 2 by 3. 3 power minus 1 by 2. 243 to the power of minus 1 by 4. This entire value, I need the value, right? This entire expression, I need the value. And the answer options which were given in your mock examination. This is your original mock question, sir. One of the mock, this question was asked. I just picked it up and I am putting and drafting and solving this question. Options are 2.2, 2.7, 2.4, 2.6. What is the answer we got? We got the answer as 2.7. We got it as 2.7 after solving these many steps, which is waste of time if I am using method 1 for this particular question and particular options. Now see here. Think logically, sir. This is where exactly your smartness will lie, and I am repeating it. You should definitely make use of answer options and you should be smart enough in solving the questions. Observe carefully. 0.3 is nothing but 3 power something. 27 is 3 power something. 9 is 3 power something. 81 is 3 power 4. Again 9 is 3 power 2. 3 is 3 power 1. 240 is 3 power 5. Every base which is given in this question, either in numerator or in denominator, every base is nothing but 3 power something. That means answer option also will eventually turn up to be 3 power something, or in other words, answer option also definitely will turn up to be a multiple of 3, right? It is not probably a multiple of 3, it should be actually a 3 power something itself. Answer option also will be a 3 power something. Forget about decimal, forget about decimal in the answer options. Only one option is there, which is 3 power something, which is 27. Answer over. This is where your smartness lies, in solving by using method 2.